What a mess do I have in front of me here. If this resembles your workstation or charging area, this is the video for you. Wires all over the place, this is cluttered. And if this looks like you, you're probably using too many things all at once without the right solution. I know you want to use it all. The Bluetooth speaker, wireless charging, USB hub, air purification, lighting, and you gotta plug it all in to the power strip. So all of these things going together, I'm here to tell you there's a better way. And it actually combines all of them into one single product. It's called the Zuho Desk Hub. It's an all-in-one solution combining all the functionalities into one single device. That's very impressive. So it is a unique blend of functionalities, right, between charging, air purification, and audio. We're gonna check out what the Zuho's all about. Let's go. All right, so first impressions right off the bat, the packaging, pretty neat, pretty simple. I really like this dark blue-green color of the box. It's very neat. So what you get in it, you get the Zuho, of course. It's gonna come with a welcome packet, accordion style, wapow. Get all the useful info you need to know, okay? So here it is. This is the Zuho. Setup was a breeze, okay? You just plug, and then you play, and then you keep plugging, and you keep playing, right? This is what this is all about. So this is a nice size. It's compact, lightweight, yet it feels solid, well built. The black glossy finish here on the touch panel. You have the blue LED mood light. These add to that premium feel that this has. I also see a nice raised lip here at the front in front of the charging pad here. And this is for tablets, so you could just put a tablet right here and it'll be supported. Stands up really well. So that's the purpose of that lip. And it's these small touches that really make the difference. And I think that's a very thoughtful touch. The touch panel is intuitive. It's easy to use. There's really only 5 buttons to it. So very straightforward. The sound quality of the Bluetooth hi-fi speaker was a pleasant surprise, I'll tell you that. Zuho definitely delivers a clear, crisp audio sound, and that bass enhancer feature levels up the experience even more. The other feature that's very interesting was the anion air purifier, which also seems to work quite well in here. Essentially just puts out negative ions into the air and freshens it up for you. Overall, my first impressions for the Zuho Desk Hub are very positive. It's a highly functional and well-designed product that combines multiple devices into a single unit. So remember, if you're enjoying this video so far, hit that subscribe button. Next, we're gonna go into the specs and features of the Zuho Desk Hub, which comes packed with features and makes it an all-in-one solution for your workspace or charging area. So now you know you could turn the bass enhancement on or off. When would you want to do either? So the music mode, which has it on, that's gonna be great for when you're listening to explosive music like hip hop, rap, R&B, techno, house, any of that great stuff. Switch it off to news mode when you're just trying to kick back with a podcast, some meditation, music, or white noise. Those are the 2 modes and 2 situations where you would use those. The next feature to check out is the anion air purification. Okay, anion just puts out negative ions into the air, and that's going to effectively remove smoke, dust, and germs from the air. Just giving you a little bit of fresh breath, right, while you're in your office. I also mentioned before you have the blue mood lighting down at the bottom there, which you can easily turn off by pressing the Bluetooth button just one single time. Just one press will toggle it on or off, okay? So now we're gonna talk about the charging, the fun stuff. We got the wireless charging pad right on top in front. It flips over so it can act as a stand too. So if you're looking to watch something also, you could do that. So on the back, it's all about charging. You have 2 USB-C ports, both at 65 watts, fast charging. So what does that mean? Ding ding, your MacBook is protected and charged with this thing. Because also there is voltage protection for everything that's plugged in here. So everything you plug in here is safe. So you got the 2 USB-Cs and you got one more USB Type A, and that's at a 30-watt power capacity. So that's considered a quick charge. So it's gonna get you there faster than a regular. Next, you have 4 desktop power outlets for the regular 3-prong plugs. You can put in up to 4 things in there, but there is a max capacity, so you can't plug in 4 super high power demanding devices, but it can definitely take some abuse, okay? Now, when you have everything plugged in here and you're going away on vacation, usually you plug in everything out. With this, you can just hit the master switch and turn everything that's plugged in here off, physically disconnect it from the power. So that's very neat. This is a pre-production unit from Zuho. So we're very lucky to have this, to show this to you on video. And depending on when you're watching this, some of the information may be outdated and different, but we're gonna make sure we keep all of the relevant information updated in the description below. Okay, so what do I mean by this? Why did I just make that statement? Because Zuho is launching on Kickstarter in the next 30 days from when this video comes out. So Kickstarter is a crowdfunding platform. You can sign up to be notified of the launch. The way to sign up is to visit their Kickstarter page, which is just gonna ask you to sign up and get notified. That's it. And then once they're live on Kickstarter, you can visit their Kickstarter and back their campaign. Be a customer. But when you back a campaign through Kickstarter, you're not just a customer, you're also a backer supporting these entrepreneurs to create this product, support the brand to actually deliver this great product, and be a real supporter, a backer, not just a customer. Let's talk about price. Zuho will be available MSRP for $437 USD. Okay, so that's 399 euro for my European viewers. So you can secure your Zuho at a special price through Kickstarter based on when you buy it. So if you're one of the first to back their Kickstarter, you're gonna get the super early bird pricing, which goes from 437 down to 335 USD, saving you over $100. That's 287 euro. If you missed that phase, you wanna see the traction come in first, you wanna see some other early adopters get in on this? Okay, well then you're gonna go in for the early bird phase, which is gonna give it to you for 356 instead of 437, saving you just over 80 bucks. Okay, and if that's not early enough for you, you wanna wait a little bit more to get it, you'll have the standard Kickstarter special price, which is 375 USD, and that's saving you 60 bucks. All right, so that's 322 euro. So there are other purchase options if you're interested in multiple units. If you have a family, you have a lot of rooms, you want to put one in every room, you could get a bundle of 3 or 5, and that's going to come right on Kickstarter bundled as its own package, right? You're not going to get 5 of the single packages. That's not how it works, and you'll see when you check out the page. So by pledging, you support the project, you support the brand, you support the company, and you get exclusive rewards and benefits for enabling the creators of this product. What do you get? You get bragging rights for being one of the first people to own this product, and you'll get it for a very special price. Everybody else will pay $437, while you paid that very special early bird price. So thanks for tuning in and learning more about the Zuho Desk Hub. Don't forget to head over to their Kickstarter, sign up for their pre-launch to get notified, get in on that super early bird pricing to get the best deal on this device. And as always, if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech preview videos, updates, reviews. We'll see you next time.